we are talking all about hair care, and this is the second webinar about hair care. And I'm sure you will learn a lot and you will enjoy the experience as is. So what is the problem that we're trying to address? You see this is the problem. The problem is thinning hair and baldness, and most of us go through this. And what we're trying to figure out is how can we help our customers to go through this process. So the basic things is we have to understand why we have this problem, and then we can maybe look at the different options to help and solve the problem. That's why practical knowledge is very powerful, and this is the purpose of this webinar, to share with you practical knowledge so we can make better decisions. What we know so far is that the drugs, some drugs in the market, Propecia and minoxidil, they have some success in terms of regrow hair, but they also have major undesirable side effects. So we learn from studies done with drugs, but we are looking for cosmetic solution. So my focus will be only on cosmetic solutions. The major challenge that we have as formulators of cosmetic products is to find natural ingredients that can be effective, maybe not to the same extent as a drug, but to some extent. But the most important, they should have much less side effect, negative side effect. And the focus will be in this webinar is a technology that we call SalSphere Hair Restoration. It is a technology, that's why I highlighted the word technology, because these are the keywords relating to this webinar. Technology is designed to deliver several natural ingredients. Everything is made from natural, sustainable ingredients in order to penetrate through the hair follicle and eventually reverse the sign of aging in hair. So these are the keywords that I will repeat during this webinar. And we are talking again about a technology, natural, about reversing the sign of aging on hair. The specific technology that we are going to talk today, it's called SalSphere Hair Stimulator. And I hope that at the end of this presentation, you will be able to present this product, understand the technology and the value and the potential use of this to support healthy scalp and 30 hair. So this is the goal for this webinar. In the agenda, I will do the following stuff, 2 parts for this webinar. In the first one, I will explain the functional ingredients, the natural ingredients that we use to make the difference. And number 2, I will speak about the technology, how the technology enhances the natural ingredients to make them more effective to reverse the signs of aging in hair.